Hey doggy, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? No, 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 no. My favorite thing to do on the motorcycle is to pack up the saddlebags and get out of town for the weekend. Hello everybody and welcome to Wheel Stories. Well, I've got my bags packed and today I'm riding out for some fun and adventure. As I've explained in previous videos, I'm a big fan of riding and visiting Eastern Oregon. Well, the Hells Canyon Motorcycle Rally is celebrating its 20th anniversary in Baker City. From Boise, you can get there in about 2 hours on the interstate, I-84, but I'm not a fan of riding the freeway. Today, I'm going to take the less traveled route. Today, I'm riding the back roads. I start my ride out of Idaho by cruising through farm country. Soon I enter Oregon near the town of Ontario and eventually pass an extinct volcano. It's called Malheur Butte. Now the volcanic cone has been inactive for millions of years, but there are a lot of hot springs in the area, caused by geothermal heat. Located roughly 12 miles from the Idaho border, Belle Oregon features a wide assortment of paintings on the side of buildings. Now the murals depict the town's history and its association with the Oregon Trail. Belle was the first stop in Oregon for the pioneers who traveled west. Malheur County is one of the least populated regions in the entire U.S., and I love it that way. Farms, ranches, empty desert, and most importantly, open roads. Somebody who lives way out here has a great sense of humor. This is funny stuff in the middle of nowhere. After riding through the expansive desert valley, the road becomes more challenging. Time now to glide through a canyon and carve some turns. eventually arrive in the town of Unity. Riders are gathered around the tiny town. Unity is a necessary stop for gas and refreshments.
So how's your day going?
Good. Busy.
After leaving Unity, I ride through the Burnt River Valley. This section of highway offers pleasant views and a fun selection of curves that trace the river along the rolling hills. Yikes, I'm getting some serious sun on this road trip. In a recent motorcycle publication, one writer commented that taking a road trip in a car is like watching a movie through the windshield. Take the same road trip on a motorcycle and it's like being in the movie. In my opinion, that is an accurate observation and certainly true for Wheel Stories. I have one big summit to cross as I ride from the Burnt River Valley over to Baker City. This is the windiest section of highway that I ride today. Now, the organizers of the Hells Canyon Motorcycle Rally have dubbed this section of highway the Little Dragon. As you can see, this area is still recovering from a forest fire that occurred several years ago. I arrive in Baker City in the early evening, just as riders are assembling downtown after riding the back roads and highways all day. It is time for some dinner. Time to look at the motorcycles. Of course, at a motorcycle rally, you must add to your t-shirt collection.
Tore it down, powder coated the frame green and powder coated the engine and painted everything and got a little carried away.
Yeah, it's a nice looking bike.
Thanks.
The rally is visited by some unexpected weather. In the early evening, you see some rain, some lightning, and some thunder, and then this brilliant sunset. Well, as I wrap things up here in Baker City, I sure hope you enjoyed watching this video. For me, there's nothing better than a weekend getaway on the motorcycle. For Wheel Stories, until next time, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a few comments. And until next time, happy trails, everybody.